Tina from the 9 pointer. Today we'll be solving a data interpretation question from a previous CAT paper. Data interpretation is generally used in many exams, especially in MBA entrance exams. It plays a very crucial role, and even in placement exams where you have to clear the first aptitude round, there are many data interpretation questions that you get. So let's go ahead and solve the question. And coming to data interpretation questions, there are many types of data that will be given to you in the question. Like the data will already be visualized in terms of bar chart or a column chart or a graph, and then you have to answer the questions based on this chart, or the data will be given in the question and you have to make your own table, or you have to represent it in your own form of data, and you have to solve the question. Okay, the question which we'll be dealing is a question in which the data is already given in such a form, and we'll be solving it. Here are some other forms where data is given, like a pie chart, or this is called a spider chart, this one. And it is also we can see this spider chart in many exams. So coming to the question, this question is from CAT 2020 slot 1. Let us have a look at the question. There are two things that you have to remember while solving the data interpretation question is that you should not omit any data while reading the question or understanding the question. Every piece of data is important, and you have to not use unnecessary data while solving a question. Okay, I'll just tell you how. So coming to the question, the Ministry of Home Affairs is analyzing crimes committed by foreigners in different states and union territories of India. All cases refer to the ones registered against foreigners in 2016. The number of cases classified into three categories: IPC crimes, SLL crimes, and other crimes for 9 states or union territories are shown in the figure below. These 9 belong to the top 10 states or union territories in terms of the total number of cases registered. The remaining state is West Bengal, where all 520 cases registered were SLL crimes. So this is the bar chart where all the crimes are given. Blue is for IPC, red is for SLL, and green is for other crimes. Now continuing the question, the table below shows the rank of 10 states, union territories mentioned above among all states or union territories of India, and given in terms of number of cases registered in each of the three category of crimes. A state or union territory is given rank R for a category of crimes if there are R minus 1 states having a larger number of cases registered in that category of crimes. Okay. So, for example, if two states have the same number of cases in a category and exactly three other states or union territories have larger number of cases registered in the same category, then both the states are given rank 4 in that category. Missing ranks in the table are denoted by asterisk. So here this is the table where the ranks of each state in each crime division are given. As you can see, these asterisk fields are uh, fields where we don't know the rank of those states. Okay, so let us go ahead and solve the questions. Here, question 1, what is the rank of Kerala in IPC crimes category? So we are concerned with Kerala and IPC crimes in this question. Let us go to the crime chart. So rank of Kerala in IPC crimes, right? IPC crimes is the blue one. It is clearly evident that Delhi stands at 1. Am I right? So let us go here. We can see Delhi, Goa and Kerala are not given. Karnataka and Maharashtra are at 3, right? So go back to the chart, and here we can see Delhi is 1. Karnataka and Maharashtra are at 3. So it is also evident that Goa is at 2. So 1, 2, 3, and next is Kerala. Okay. So here many of you might do a mistake and put it as 4, but see, the states which have larger number of cases than Kerala are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Goa, and Delhi. So total there are 4 states, and Kerala will be given a rank of 5, not 4. Okay. So the answer is 5. Now going on to the next question. In the two states where highest total number of cases are registered, the ratio of total number of cases in IPC crimes to total number of cases in SLL crimes. So we are concerned with the top two states with total number of cases and IPC and SLL crimes. Okay, we have to get the sum of top two states in IPC and top two states SLL crimes. So if we refer to the chart, we can see that Delhi and Karnataka are the top two states in this chart. But as we read the question, we know that West Bengal has 520 cases registered where all cases are SLL. So that means that West Bengal is the top state with highest number of crimes, that are 520 cases with all SLL. We should not omit this data. If we omit this data, then we'll get the wrong answer here. And the second state is Delhi. We can see that Delhi has 64 IPC crimes, and coming to SLL, it is 99 minus 64, which must be 35. So here we have 35 Delhi SLL, and as we know from the question, the West Bengal has 520 cases, and West Bengal does not have any IPC cases, so it is zero. So only we have Delhi, which has 64 cases. So IPC is 64 and SLL is nearly 555. So 64 is to 50, 555 will be nearly 1 is to 9. So the answer must be D. Yes, the answer is D. Now going on to the next question. Which of the following is definitely true about the ranks of states or union territories in the other crimes category? We have option 1, no, statement 1 with Tamil Nadu 2 and statement 2 with Puducherry 3. So we are concerned only with the other crimes category of the states Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, right? So let us just go and have a look at the rank chart. Okay, we have many missing fields here. Okay, so let us go to the crime chart. Here other crime is green, so it is clearly visible. Delhi is the winner here, so Delhi ranks at 1, and Tamil Nadu. So let's say, so yeah, one thing, we can't come every time down to the number. So let us just assume that this is one unit, the distance between two lines, and each unit is 10 crimes, as we can see. So Delhi is 1, and then we have Tamil Nadu 1, 2, 3, 30, and this must be 34. Okay, these two fields. So Tamil Nadu has 34. Puducherry is clearly 1, 2, 3, and minus 1. 30 minus 1 is 29. And the next state is, okay, we can go with Karnataka. So it is 1, 2, and 25 maybe. So all others are less than 25. So we can say that Delhi is number 1, Tamil Nadu is number 2, and Puducherry is number 3. Okay. So going back to the question, here it is given that Tamil Nadu has rank 2 and Puducherry has rank 3. So yes, we also got the same answer. So the answer must be option A. Yes, the answer is option A. Coming to the last question, what is the sum of ranks of Delhi in three categories of crimes? In all categories. So we have solved in the previous question, Delhi ranks 1 in other crimes, and it is very clearly evident that it ranks 1 in even IPC. So now we have to get SLL. So never forget that SLL for West Bengal, SLL is 1, where West Bengal has 520 cases of SLL. So West Bengal is 1. Then from the chart you can see Karnataka is 2, and then let us count. Here Goa is 1, 2, 3, 30, and 34 maybe. 34 or 35. Okay. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 34. Okay. Maharashtra and Goa both have 34. Coming to Delhi, it is 1, 2, and this is also nearly 30. Okay, this is 35. Delhi is 35. So 35 means that it must go after Karnataka, which is rank 3. Okay. Now, even if you are confused that maybe Maharashtra and Goa have the same number as Delhi, they all must stand at 3. Okay. So evidently Delhi is 3. So Delhi ranks 3 at SLL, 1 at IPC, and 1 at other crimes. So, summing all those, we must get the answer as 5, right? So, 1 plus 1 plus 3 is 5. Yes, the answer is 5. Okay, so these are the like basic types of questions which we get in a common CAT exam or any of these type of questions can also come in a very so many placement exams. Okay, and it is very important to know how to solve these because these are very helpful, and we'll be updating more questions related to data interpretation, logical reasoning, even quant in the upcoming videos. So subscribe for the 9 pointer for civil and MBA exams or any placement related videos. We'll be uploading more of them in coming days. And if you have any questions regarding this video, you can comment in the comment section. The description of this video consists of a GitHub profile of our channel in which you can download the PDF of this question, and do contact us if you have any queries. Subscribe us for more updates. Thank you.